Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the text you want to fix. You can press Ctrl plus it to operate on the whole document. Once selected, go to the Home tab and click the small paragraph dialog launcher in the corner. This opens the detailed controls you need. Make sure to focus on the indents and spacing section, where the spacing before and after controls live, because these values determine the extra space you see after each paragraph and control consistent layout. Once the dialog is open, change the after spacing to 0 pt to remove the extra gap. You can also adjust before if the top spacing needs tweaking. Make sure to inspect the checkbox labeled Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs of the Same Style. Toggle it based on whether styles should collapse spacing. Then choose line spacing, such as single or exactly with a point size, so line height remains predictable. This prevents unexpected gaps when fonts or size. After adjusting values, click Apply or OK to commit changes, and then review the document visually to confirm spacing is corrected. If you want the change everywhere, modify the style. Open the Styles pane, right-click the style, for example, normal, choose Modify, then format right arrow paragraph and set spacing there. If unwanted space still appears, reveal formatting marks by toggling the paragraph symbol. This exposes manual line breaks or extra paragraph returns that you must delete to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.